you got going on in there?
Now we're patching up the ceiling. Just giving it the final coat right now. Preparing it for texture.
Got 2 minutes left. Pretty good looking repair.
Yeah, it's coming in there.
Coming along.
Coming along, exactly.
It's a good day to be an American.
Great day. It's always good to be an American.
Are you gonna go get the other one or what?
Nah. This is done, I think.
This is the other repair we got going on. It's a little small, but gonna paint these ceilings. And that's it.